In nature, a group of secret agents is on an eco-mission, the super plants. How do they transform into environmental cleaners, absorbing toxins from polluted soil and water? What's the extent of their eco-potential? Let's delve into their amazing powers to reveal their key roles in ecological restoration and environmental protection. Follow our exploration to discover how these green heroes tackle today's environmental challenges, exploring unique eco-solutions provided by nature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay curious.